Hello everyone. So in this video we'll create a simple Google Cloud VM, that is a virtual machine, and using the Ubuntu, and we'll also try to check or install the software like maybe a Java or Python, and we'll check that. Okay, so now we'll have to first of all go to the Google Cloud platform, and I hope the prerequisite is that you have this Google Cloud account. It's very simple to register. So once you are in the platform, you can go to this computer engine, and then just click on this create instance. You can also use this Gemini chat to create the same one, but I will just go with this UI and just click on this create instance, and then you have lots of options. So based on what are the purpose, like whether you want a general purpose, whether you want a compute optimized, then you want high memory CPU, then or you can have a storage optimized where you can have more hard disk. So I'll just go with the general purpose, and then I will go with this default, that is in lots of depends upon your requirement. You can check how many vCPUs memory. I'll just go with this default, and then I'll just change this part of boot disk, and that is which kind of operating system that you want. You can have an option of CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Ubuntu. I'll just go with Ubuntu and just select. Okay, and rest of the things I'll just simply go with the default. If you want some port to be open, then you'll have to create a firewall, and then you'll have to attach the tag of the firewall with this VM. So I'll just click on this create. So this may take a little while. Don't need in fact SSH client or anything. We Google have inbuilt where you can have browser based SSH client, and you can log in into it once it is been successfully created, and the status will be the green. Now it is created, so you can just have an option, but you can just click on this very quick option, that is click on SSH, and it will open or pop up a new browser window where it will ask you for prompt. Alright, so now you have the login or a CLI, that is bash shell, or you can simply say dir ls lrt. There is no file currently, so if I say touch uh, test.txt, then now you can try lslrt. The ls command is for the list down the directory and text directory and the files, sorry. So now what I will do is I'll simply say whether Java is installed or not. Currently it is not installed, so what I can do is simply say apt, or there are two ways. Either you can go with the default Java which is available in the package, or maybe or package library, or maybe if you want a specific version, then you'll have to go to this Ubuntu site and you can ask. They will provide you a simple steps and you can get it. All right, or either you can download and extract and just provide the path to the bin so that you can start with it. So what I will do is apt install default or jdk, or you can here you can even try the same command. It's already giving you suggestions, so just let me try this one, default jdk. Okay, I need to, you need an admin permission, so let's try this thing. Now apt install default jdk. Let me try this thing, yeah, and say yes. And this may take a little while, not much more than maybe a 30-40 seconds. So now let us check Java version, and we have OpenJDK 11 version. Okay, but 11 is pretty I mean it's a pretty long time, so current version might be around JDK 22. So you can even use the same a different command, or depends upon, you can find out in the JDK installation site. A similar way you can install more of the software like Python or whatever software that you want. You can play with it. It's a plain, fresh, formatted Ubuntu VM. So this is very helpful when you have already a VM, but you want to test something on a fresh VM. Then in that case, it is pretty useful. So alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.